So guys, we're here by the lake, 3rd of July.
Baby, you're a fine. You're a plane.
It's getting closer to Kince. Hey, Brenda! Any message to Facebook? You wanna say anything?
You're going. You better fucking dance, or else I'm gonna kick you out. Oh yeah, just ignore me.
So pretty. Okay.
Hi. Baby, you're fine. No, take that. Okay, people who fucking asked to be on the list. This is Perla, and I slept at 3 fucking in the morning just making that list. You better fucking appreciate it, and you better fucking dance, and I say space. Yeah.
No drama, please.
No drama, please. Save it for the llama.
Are you guys done?
Are you done?